Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 10th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do join my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, the yen pairs, most of them made a really strong move up yesterday because of the Trump tariff news on China and the fact that they delayed all the other tariffs for 90 days. Now, I have my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here, just in case it does turn out to be like either a wave A or a wave 1, and this is now either in a wave B or a wave 2, which would be a crescent to the hopeless up. If it goes down to a Fibonacci retracement level and turns up very significantly with a nice engulfing move up, then it very likely could continue the uptrend for either a wave C or a wave 3. If it's a wave 3, it's just going to keep on going up. If it's a wave C, it would probably just go up to a percentage of the wave A, projected out the bottom of wave B, turn down, break structure, and continue the downtrend. So the trend on the higher time frames is definitely still down. I mean, yes, it's a strong push up, but we have no break of structure on the higher time frames. We have no higher low on the higher time frames. This thing could literally just do this and just keep on going down. So definitely be aware of your higher roadmap time frames because those are the ones that are going to tell you the primary direction or the primary market flow that you should be paying the most attention to, which in the pound yen case, the higher time frames are definitely still down. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.